Well, Sparrow and I are at the camper, at the cabin. It is 5:45 in the morning, and our roof was taken off this, let's see here, Monday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday I got a call at 6:30 after work saying there's some planks that need to be stained for the roof by tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. So I packed up, and Sparrow and I headed down here after dinner, and in nearly dark at dusk, you'll see the video, we stained the planks and came to bed. And Andy, when I talked to Andy last night, he was like, so can you see, is there anything on the roof to protect it if it rains? And I was like, nope, I can see holes in the sky. And he didn't say anything else, and I didn't look at the weather. But as I'm sleeping in the camper, I can hear pitter patter of rain. I just went out and rolled my windows up. It was really hot when I got here. Look at Sparrow. We just went down, rolled them up. So what does that mean? What does that mean? Everything in the cabin is getting wet. All of our tools, all our supplies, and it looks like it is calling for more rain today. It's not the greatest. It's really early. I'm gonna go back to sleep. I was gonna get up and stain, but I'm not gonna stain planks in the rain at 5:45 in the morning. It's just not happening. They're wet, but look at how pretty these are. Now the question is, do they resemble the inside? Let's see how wet it got in here. Not too bad. I think it's pretty close. I think it's pretty close.